And as the war in Ukraine continues, it's having an impact right here at home. As KOM's Chris Warner explains, that impact isn't just economic, it's having an impact in the classroom.
Doug Logan is a social studies teacher for Carl Junction High School. He teaches a current world affairs class, and the past couple of weeks has been shaping his lesson plans and his students.
For them right now, it's happening in real time, in their lifetime. They're watching it literally unfold by the hour. And they know they could very possibly have a vested interest in this, and they want to know what's happening.
He says the war in Ukraine's economic impact is a great way to bring it home.
It's very useful to use a situation like this to help them understand how instability in a part of the world, clear on the other side of the globe, actually has economic ramifications that reach right down here to southwest Missouri on a daily basis.
Cord Ritter is a senior at Carl Junction. Most of his high school career has been shaped by once-in-a-lifetime events, like the pandemic. He's also got a friend in Moscow who he's been in touch with as things have unfolded.
They haven't been as fortunate as we are. You know, our country for the last 100 years, we haven't had invasion and, you know, economic collapse to the degree that they have, and, you know, their whole livelihood kind of falling apart.
Ritter says his history course is more important now than it ever has been.
Like, we've learned why Russia thought that Ukraine might belong to them, and why Crimea was mostly the starting factor a long time ago in all this.
While the future remains uncertain for the course of the war, Ritter knows it's going to shape him for the rest of his life.
I'm not even sure what to make of it right now, and I'd say it's more of a lesson than anything that I'll definitely be looking back on in the future.
Through everything, he's learned one important lesson that he feels everyone needs to remember.
Just try and see them as humans, because that happens a lot in wartime. We use things to demonize the other side and make them easier to hate.
In Carl Junction, Chris Warner, KOAM News.
Logan says it's encouraging to see his students using examples from history to compare to the current situation in Ukraine. Doug Haley joining us now for